Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this GeoTools video, I will show you how you can export points and lines from BricsCAD Pro to a KML file which can be then viewed in Google Earth. Please remember that this command requires BricsCAD Pro v24. It does not run on the light versions of BricsCAD. It requires at least the Pro version. So if you go under the GeoTools menu to Geographic Tools, you will find this option here called DWG to KML Google Earth Export. So I click on this and it asks me to select for the Google KML file name. So I'm going to select this file name here. I know that this data is in zone 44 of UTM. So you need to know this data to be able to correctly do the coordinate conversion. There's also an option here to do coordinate conversion yes or no. So if you don't enable this option, no coordinate conversion will be done and your data will be exported as KML exactly from the drawing. If you choose this option, then in BricsCAD Pro, it will automatically do a conversion from UTM to Geo. You need to choose the hemisphere, which is by default northern hemisphere for our part of the world. You can specify the KML description, KML name and so on. So for example, I'm going to say UTM zone 44 Uttarakhand. So because this data is from Uttarakhand area, and I'm going to just say OK. Select entities. So I'm going to select all these entities here. Now there is a warning that it will give you that the coordinates are not within the geographic range of 90 to 180. That is okay. That is only for you to ensure that you know what you're doing. So in this case, I know that I am actually going to do a conversion using BricsCAD. So I'm just going to say allow. So it has exported it and this file has been created, which you can now view in Google Earth. So you can see that the file has been created here, and if you view it, it has got correct geographic coordinates also inside. So I'm going to open this in Google Earth now. So you can see that all those points and that underlying line have been created in Google Earth and displayed in Google Earth, and you can see that the name also has appeared here. Now if you look at this command, there are some more options here. You can see that there are data types to export. So if your object has object data or X data, or if you have blocks with attributes, then you can specify them, and for each one of them there are settings also which you can use to specify your object data export. This is the next level of complexity or next level of feature in the command. Normally most people require just plain export, but just bear in mind that you can also export attached data from your drawing into your KML file. Thank you for watching this video.